There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs and go step by step, one by one, and accumulate our goals into success. What is success to you? For me, success is achieving your goal and your dream. To succeed, we need the below attitudes and skills to increase our probability of success. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Enn Yii. I am from Teens Public Speaking, Bangsa. Here are some steps to success. Number 1, learn new skills. When face a challenge, look for ways to develop the knowledge and skills to overcome and triumph. There was a day, I know my mom is learning Japanese. I also wanted to learn Japanese too, but it is difficult. Then I found an idea and go to Google. After a few days, I still struggle to learn Japanese because I don't know how to speak Japanese. I decided not to give up. After the next day, I found a Japanese class online and it is free. It is Buzu. After that, I slowly I know Japanese more and more. Number 2, listen to others. This is not only involves hearing what they are saying, but also paying attention to nonverbal signals and body language. My mom gave me some new instruction as to where I wait for her after school. I was not listening and waited for her in the usual place. I waited 30 minutes and she was not here. What happened was she waited for me further down the road. My failure to listen carefully caused inconvenience to both of us. Listening to others is an important skill to have on your journey to success. Set achievable goals. Choosing a goal like, I am going to spend 20 minutes a day learning a new language. It is more achievable than setting a general goal like, I am going to learn Japanese. Even if you select a specific goal, it can often seem to be difficult to achieve. Try breaking it into smaller pieces that allows you to focus on moving forward without becoming overwhelmed. With the smaller goals, allow me to enjoy my small accomplishments. Number 3, strengthen your willpower. Distraction is a big weakness of mine. For example, playing online games is a big distraction for me. Sometimes I play too long and forgot to do my homework. The next day, I get scolded by my teacher for either doing sloppy work or not finishing my homework. To be a successful person, one needs to discipline and not give in to temptations and distraction. To conclude, I have learned there are many values in life I have to adopt to increase my chances of success. Right now, I am learning as many skills. Listen attentively, set achievables, and be disciplined. If I can do it, so can you. Thank you.